In this video, I'd like to use my book, Introduction to Turk's Head Knots, and tie a hood knot from a 5-part 4-bight Casa knot. So first we got to tie the 4-part 5-bight Casa knot. Then we got to tie it into a 2-pass herringbone, and then we'll make it into the hood knot, because this is going to be a 2-color 3-pass knot. And I've got a 3/4 inch dowel with about a 1/2 inch collar out of about 10-ounce saddle skirting. And here we go around the thing and make a free run and a free run, and then go under, all in that first drawing. But here's what it's going to look like on the stick. It's a free run, free run, free run. So it's on the right hand side of this standing end, and then it's over, and then an under, like that, above and below your collar. Now our next move is going to be an over, and then it's under or standing and under that next cross. So I'm just going to do it all in one move. If my string will cooperate. Now, here we're doing an over and then coming in over under. So it's over and then over under. And that brings us back to our standing end right here. So we'll go over our standing end, and we pick up this outside bight to get inside of our tracks. And now we're just going to split tracks. So it's over, under, and now we're going to turn and go over that one and under, over, out of the knot. That finishes our 4-part 5-bight Casa knot. Now we're going to cross over our standing end and go in on the left-hand side of our standing end to follow it up through the knot. And that'd be this first drawing. So we're going in under, then over, under. And now, whenever you tie an even number of parts and you do an interweave, the bights are under on one side, but they're over on the other. So they're tied a little different, but there's a lot of people nowadays that are liking to tie 5-bight knots and 7-bight knots, and a lot of times whenever you tie a 5-bight knot, you tie an even number of parts. So, okay, now we go over this X. So we're going to go over and under. I'm going to move this book so it's not bothering me. I get to pulling it down off the book and then it's out of screen. Okay, on this left hand side we go under that X. So we're going to go over one and under a 2X. Now it's over, under, and now it's over our 2X, and we split that pair and go under 2. Now we go over 1, under our 2X, and we split a pair. So we go over 2, under 1, over our 2X, and we split a pair going in, so we go under 2, and we're splitting a pair coming out, so we go over 2, and now we go under our 2X and we split a pair, we go over 2, split a pair, under 2, Now we go over our 2x, split a pair going in, so we go under 2. We split a pair coming out, so now we go over 2. Move that so you can see it. Here's our pair. So we go over 2. Now we have a 3x. 2 that way and 1 that way for a 3x. And we split a pair, so we go over 2. We split a pair, so we go under 2. We split a pair, so we go out over 2 and come in over 1 for our 3x. Split a pair going in and go under 2. Now we go over 2 and under out of the knot. That finishes our knot. Finishes our 2-pass herringbone knot. Now we are going to now that we got that 2-pass herringbone tied from the 5-4, now we're going to take another string and we're going to tie it into a 3-pass hood knot. And we'll use this string right here. I'm going to move the book so we can watch our knot. Okay, but it's in that book on page 101 if you're looking for it. Okay, now we're going to go in under. Now it says under 3, but where this string is right there. Oh yeah, it's under 3 right here. Get the book back. It says under 3 over 2 under 2. So there is our 3. So we're going to go in right here under 3. And we're going to be on the right left-hand side of this strand right there. And that's probably plenty. So we're going to follow it, and we're just going over 2, and then see it goes under 2, but then we turn and go under 2 this way for a 4x. Now we go over 2 and under a 4x. 2 this way and 2 that way. And that puts us on the left-hand side of this strand, and that's the one we're following. So it's over 2, under 4x. And now that's going to bring us to a pair. We go over 2, split the pair, and now it's 3 this way and back under 2 that way for a 5x. So over 2, split a pair, and under 5x. Over 2, split the pair, and under 5x. Over 2, split a pair, under 5x, and we come out splitting a pair. Over 3, split a pair, and under 5x, and split that pair coming out. We go over 3, split a pair, under 5x, come out splitting that pair. Now it's over 3, split that pair, and it would come out right there where we started for our 5X. And that finished our knot. And this knot is just a little bigger than the one that we tied with the 4 bites, because it's got a 5 bite, so it fits a little better, and it's got quite a nice shape. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you'll tie this knot. Thank you for watching.